Hello, my YouTube subscribers. So, because of pneumonia, I got a late start to this year. But my first tree is down of the winter, so it's a good start. I'm gonna keep bucking away today, and who knows, maybe I'll update a few more pictures. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and eventually you'll see me mill all these up. All right. Oh, sorry. So we have the second tree cut here. So now I just need to see if we can get her to fall. Nope, not quite yet. Well, I was able to just touch it with the chainsaw, like barely touch it, and she went over. That's because it's rotten in the middle. So you guys have to be careful of rotten trees, because she was starting to crack but didn't want to actually go until I just touched this side a little bit more. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, let's see if we can get tree number 3 and probably my last tree of today down. Let's see if we can persuade it. Not hearing any cracking, so I'll cut a little bit more, come back. All right, once again, just that little tiny bit more cut, and she went down, so I didn't get video of it. Basically, yeah, the next one I want to take down is that one over there, but I got to clean up a lot of the brush around it first. So tune in for when I get to cut down some more trees. Thanks for watching.